Hey folks, as we think about how to make sound decisions, we must consider our second interrogative, why? Business author Simon Sinek was so impacted by the power of why that he wrote a best-selling book telling readers to start with why. You see, it's easy to just do something. It may be foolish or it may be wise. Now, the person who makes rash decisions and follows emotional whims, it almost doesn't matter as long as they do something. But for the wise person who does not have time, energy, or resources to waste, why could make all the difference in the world. Why is powerful. Why ties a decision to something bigger than the choice we face. Why provides a framework that allows us to defend our decision later when we or others doubt the reason in our actions. Asking why helps us discern our true motives. Yes, we can even deceive ourselves. Discovering one's why is the foundation one will need to see a tough decision through to fruition. Before you do whatever you are considering, find out why you want to or need to do it in the first place. Rewards follow the what, but wisdom is hidden in the why. When you align the right what with the right why, you'll be well on your way to making the right decision. And you do enough of that, and you'll make every day a wisdom-drenched God day. We'll talk again soon.